Hey guys, we are at Nature's Emporium today and we are going over our philosophy of train, refuel, recover, and perform. And we are focusing on the refueling and the recovery part today. So one of our mottos is to train hard, recover harder. So we're gonna go over what that means in the off season and how to optimize performance. So now we have some snack examples. So I'm just cutting up some apple and we're gonna have it with some seed butter today. So sunflower seed butter, pumpkin seed butter, but you can do it with nut butter, but we're trying to stay nut free today. It's due to some allergies. And this is a great snack, healthy fats, as well as some quick energy and fiber from the apple.
We're doing a nutrition talk, Veg. Another Tetro Roberts duo.
Hi.
Nutrition duo. Beat on the kids.
Okay, so we just finished up and I think they liked it. They're behind me just devouring all the snacks. We went over the importance of the off-season nutrition and we're really excited that they can get this information, and our biggest goal is about education and making sure that they know better choices to choose so they can perform at their absolute best. What did you like about today?
We got few Timbits. No, you make this
We got, and by Timbits he means healthy energy balls that we made, but they were good, right?
Yeah.
And you made them yourself.
I made my mini ones.
Mini ones, yeah, mini energy balls. Perfect, just like you, eh?
Yeah.
Daniel, what are you getting?
All my nutrients.
Yeah,
all my nutrients.
because you're eating your vegetables, right?
Color.
Perfect.
Seminar was really good. Gave some really good helpful hints. Matthew already likes to make his own guacamole, and so he enjoyed the extra information about putting hemp seeds into his guacamole, his famous guacamole.
I love the talk about the magnesium and eating proteins, and just watch the dairy, the milk, and the cheese.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button.
And comment below. We want to know what you want to see.